Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello and a very warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I am in Gurugram in Cyber City and I am outside the very iconic 9A building. Now that I've told you 9A building, you would automatically know that I am outside Altera Institute in Gurugram. Guys, this video is going to be very special for me because 2 years back I came here and I shot their very first campus tour. That time a lot of you people were genuinely confused. Is it a good place? It's a new thing. Should we take our risk? New age education? Who started Altera? What is Altera? All of those things. And guys, the good news is in the 2 years, they have moved to a bigger and a better place. Inside this building, they've taken up a whole new floor and started their new campus, which I'm going to be touring right now itself. Guys, I honestly feel very happy from the bottom of my heart to be touring this campus because seeing growth is something that I really like because, you know, people watch my videos, they take up the bet, they join institute, and when I see amazing outcomes coming in, I feel really very good. So today's video is going to be super special. Let's have fun together. Come. By the way, guys, another great news is they've got their name on the building there, yeah? It looks so cool to see the Altera Institute's logo out there. It's just so nice, you know, because this area is like literally the heart of Gurugram. So everybody passing by would see the logo, which is, it's the mark of something, yeah? By the way, it's a classic winter afternoon here in Gurugram. So like when there's the sun, there's wind and cold. And for all those people who are really passionate about corporate, this is the heart of it. This place has a very corporate vibe, like, you know, very business vibe sort of a thing. Guys, the previous campus was on the 14th floor of this 9A building and now they've moved to the 16th floor and the whole floor is literally theirs. So come now. Ta-da! Oh my god, wow. Guys, welcome to the reception area here at Altera Institute. Once you come on the campus, this is going to be your first spot. And honestly speaking, this looks really very good. In fact, a lot of the elements from the previous campus is just the same. So like the color tones, the tones of the walls, all of them look really same. They have these common spaces here. In fact, guys, the vibe also is very same. It's just that it's just way bigger now. On my right hand side here, you have multiple meeting rooms. The students here have gotten second position in Pictures Business Plan competition in IIM Rohtak, which is a very good thing. So Priyanshu Mehta, Shriya Dwivedi, Yash Kumar Kothari, congratulations to you guys from my side as well. Great going, yeah. Okay, there's a class going on? Okay. Guys, there's a class going on, so I don't want to really disturb them. By the way, their new classrooms look so good. I don't know, I think I should really disturb them. Come, let's go. Let's take a sneak peek inside.
Again, good job on identifying the aha moment, and I particularly like that you also try to prioritize because there can be multiple aha moments that you may
There's some group presentation that's going on, yeah? Okay, this is their, again, common space, but most importantly, their library. Guys, if you were to watch the previous campus tour of Altera Institute, you would have seen that the library was very small, but now it's so huge and big with, again, a lot of books and a lot of common spaces. I know, guys, I'm repeating the common spaces again and again, but trust me, there are many of them. Another very important thing that they've kept alive are the names of these boardrooms and the meeting rooms. So it's Bezos, Altman, Knight. So all that things was again there in the previous campus. Let me give you a tour of one of such rooms. So guys, welcome to Bezos. Again, a boardroom, meeting room, common room. Basically, students here have to work a lot on group assignments, projects, all of that. And for those things, they need such rooms. Plus, I love the quote here, work hard, have fun, make history. So that is what I think students studying from here would eventually end up doing. So yeah, looks really nice. And by the way, guys, there are multiple rooms. I don't know the number of rooms, but they're literally left, right, center. All these meeting rooms, different sizes, colors, shapes, names, all of them are there. Guys, welcome to the cafeteria now. Again, this is also very huge. So you have the microwaves here in case you bring food from outside. Oh, there's a proper menu here, yeah? So you have coffee, tea, milk, Maggi, poha, peanut butter sandwich, bread butter, bread jam, masala oats, high protein muesli, boiled eggs. So everything that you need in order to stay healthy and obviously work through the midnights for your assignments and everything. That is all available here. Honestly, like whosoever has designed the place, 100 marks to them because all the color combinations look really modern. Honestly speaking, it doesn't look like I've entered an educational institute. It looks like I've entered like a 5-star hotel where there are multiple things, you know. By the way, the view from there of the Gurugram city is also amazing, yeah. Oh, in fact, here students are actually working on an assignment, so let me not disturb them. Guys, now I'm going to take you to one of the coolest areas on the campus. This was not there the last time. Come with me. Oh my god, this is so good. Ta-da! Guys, welcome to the recreational room here at Altera Institute. And this is such an amazing place. You have TT there, you have students playing foosball. And also, yes, by the way, they have a sort of a setup here, which I'm pretty sure is going to be used by their mentors whenever they have like some industry experts coming from the outside when they want to host like some group seminars and all of that. This is a very nice space. So even in fact for shooting podcasts, it can be a really good place, yeah. I'm going to join them for TD. Bro, do you mind if I play? Okay, cool. I'll join it. What's up, what's up? How are you doing? Yeah, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार ये room. This is pretty cool, yeah. Guys, I'm actually shooting a campus show video. Do you mind if I ask you all a couple of questions? Great, yeah. Aajo, then tum log bhi aajo, guys. It's just a fun chat that I'm having. And wait, let me turn on my mic. Okay, so basically, guys, by the way, मेरी videos कौन देख के आ चुका है पहले यहाँ पे? Okay, great. So you guys already know about me. Great then. So you know that I make content for the students who are confused about various colleges, courses, helping them, guiding them through all that. तो थोड़ी बहुत बातें करते हैं so that it will be good for the people. Cool? Yes. Okay. I want each one of you to introduce yourself. Tell me where are you from? Undergrad कहाँ से किया? What was the comparative score that you got? Yes, let's do this.
Hi, I'm Prerna and I'm from Dehradun. I did my graduation from Delhi University and I had a 92% score in that.
Great. तो देहरादून में कहाँ से पढ़े यार?
Anne Marie.
Great. I was in Mussoorie, so pretty close. Okay. What about you?
I'm Dhruv and I'm from Delhi itself. I did my undergrad from WIPS, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, and my competitive scores in NMAT was 230 and in CAT it was around 82.
Okay, great. What about you?
Hi, my name is Rishabh. I'm also from Dehradun and I've done
school कहाँ से किया?
St. Joseph's Academy.
Oh, I was in St. George's, Mussoorie. Great.
Yeah,
so I गया. Okay.
Yeah, brother schools in fact.
Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
I did my undergrad from Christ University. Did
अरे वाह. Okay, which course?
economics honors.
Amazing. Central campus.
No, it was in the Bannerghatta campus.
PGI campus.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And gave the CAT exam, scored 96 and here I am.
Wow, 96 is great. Okay.
I'm Shiv Patel from Vadodara, Gujarat. I scored 88% CAT and did chemical engineering and come here after B2B sales.
Okay, amazing. What about you?
Hi, my name is Himanshu. I'm also from Dehradun. I completed my undergrad from Graphic Era University. I scored 97 in CAT, ZAT and SNAP and 215 in MAT.
Wow, and what is this Dehradun supremacy, guys? मतलब क्या चल रहा है यार?
Hello, myself Ayush. I'm from Nagpur and I did my undergrad from Jai Hind College, Bombay. And my score in SNAP was 92 or 93.
Wow, Jai Hind is cool, yeah.
Hi, my name is Kursh. I'm from Surat, Gujarat. I did my undergrad from MLSU. It's in Udaipur, and my CAT scores are 89 around, and my NMAT was 233.
Pretty good. Okay.
So hi, I'm Shreya. I'm from Bhopal and I did my undergrad from Pandit Deendayal Energy University and my CAT score was 84 and NMAT was 232.
Okay. What about you?
Hi, I'm Yovika. I put up in Delhi and I'm a BCom graduate. I have done my graduation from WIPS IP University and my NMAT score was 222.
Great.
Hi, I'm Jia. I'm from Surat, Gujarat. I did my BBA in SD Jain and my CAT score was around 87 and NMAT was 235.
Amazing. Okay, guys, so basically what I want to understand from you all is that before joining Altera, I'm pretty sure you would have been looking at tons of colleges, right? It's a very competitive game out there. All the colleges want you, specifically if you've got like great percentiles, which you all have. So what were the colleges that you were looking at? Be open, tell me yaar, kis ka dekh rahe the, kaun se colleges the, and which one did you like, which one did you not, and like why did you finally end up choosing Altera over the others? Because that's something that I would want to understand from you all. Go for it.
So my options were, let's say, NM Bangalore and 4. So basis that, I think the curriculum, the time period that this was giving, the new age learning that they are providing, that was something that, attracted me over here.
So over 4 you chose Altera because of the curriculum?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, what about you?
Okay, so same goes for me. I chose Altera because of curriculum. So the options that I was having was SDA Bocconi, KJ Somaiya and Tapmi. So the curriculum drive me over here.
So, but yeah, वो सारे बहुत legacy colleges है. Like leaving them is not hard. How did you convince your parents and your friends and all those people?
I know, right? But this thing was there in my mind that I have to like do industry focused MBA rather than a traditional MBA.
Fair enough. What about you?
Yeah, so adding on to their colleges, I had one of more option was KJ Somaiya, and I actually wanted 1 year MBA program because I wanted to just get into the market fast as. So that's why I chose Altera. And the curriculum was actually very better than any other colleges. Like I have more friends out there, and I am also, but like they are not studying what we are studying here.
Really? So
yeah.
where are your friends studying in IIMs?
I am Rohtak.
Okay, so if you compare IIM Rohtak's curriculum to Altera.
No. I am Rohtak is quite traditional, but like if we talk about Altera, it's way ahead of it. Like
Okay.
digital marketing and everything.
Okay.
So yeah, being from Gujarat, my family and all, we are all number based, and the numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. 2-year placement numbers were there over here in 1 year, and I talked to some alums, and they also verified them, so that gave me a peace of mind.
What about you?
So yeah, I had SPJ and I had SIBM Bangalore. I wasn't very much sure if I want to do MBA because I just graduated this year. But then when I...
How old are you, buddy?
So I am 21. When I came here, I was 20. I turned 21 here. So
Bully
yeah.
तो नहीं करते थे कुछ सब है?
Nah, they are all very good.
Okay.
So then yeah, matlab, when I came here, I wasn't very much sure. But then it just takes 1 year to do an MBA and industry focus. And from the people who are already in industry, they're not like traditional mentors and all. So that's what kind of attracted me. So yeah.
Okay. Guys, anybody else who's left like some really good colleges to come here for like very different reasons? I understand. I think year-wise though makes a lot of sense. Yeah, to getting to do it in 1 year is a game changer in itself. Fees also I understood. Curriculum I understood. Anybody else with any other reason or okay, go for it.
I think I was talking to the alums from different colleges that how the curriculum is, how the college goes. But I think that one consistent thing that really hit me was that every alum here at Altera was talking about the same thing, very consistent, very, a feedback that was very genuine. In other colleges, the feedback was very mixed. Some people were very extreme of, either the good part or the bad part. But here at Altera, I thought all the alums were talking just good about Altera.
But
and that was
don't you feel that scary? क्या सारे कैसे तारीफ कर सकते हैं?
No, but it has to have something, they were not getting anything out of it, to boost Altera out of, there, because I reached them out on LinkedIn. So I don't think that they had a perspective or, an opinion on why should they promote Altera. So I think that was a very genuine link and channel. So I think that was a true opinion about
Great.
Altera.
Anybody else?
I had the likes of 4 and NMIMS Bangalore, but I had the privilege of having a friend here last year. So I've seen the program very closely with my eyes and meeting him over the weekends, getting to know what's happening here. There's industry mentors that are coming here, some CXOs, CEOs. So that was very aspirational to me that this is something which they're teaching on ground practically here. And the placements, all of that, I've seen it very closely. And as Coach said, numbers don't lie. That was one of the motivations here.
This can become the title of my video. Numbers don't lie. Yeah. Okay, got it. Anybody else? Any?
So I had a convert from IIM Kashipur and Nagpur.
Okay.
But in my case, the traditional MBA didn't really excite me. Like they were studying the whole textbook things, a decade-old theory. So that really didn't excite me. After even I talked to the alumni from those colleges and from here, the difference was clear. The people here were so passionate about what they were doing, and the people in the traditional MBAs were like, it's just going on, we're attending classes, it's happening like a typical MBA college. The people here were so passionate about the things they were doing, they recommended it to me so many times that I felt that this was a different thing which I would be enthusiastic about.
Fair enough. No, I totally understand that. None of you guys mentioned the campus, but honestly, I really liked it, yeah. Because I mean, I toured a lot of B schools. The kind of infrastructure that is here, मतलब मैं दोपहर टाइम पे classroom के पास गया हुआ था. Really good, yeah. Like it's very modern and 5-star. You don't get to see that across like the traditional B schools. I get it. Now, guys, I mean, so you guys would have watched my videos before joining here. I hope so, and they added value. Now the thing is, your B school in the market is actually killing it. So what you said is true because सभी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, या तो सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं, या तो there is actually some matter to it, and which I feel it is. Now what is happening is because of that, not everybody can make it through. So the acceptance is, I was just checking the numbers and all, is somewhere around 5 to 6%. That means so many of the students that watched my videos, took consultancy from me also, somehow did not make it through. Now the major doubt happens is, what is it that the Altera is basically looking for in you students? So I want you all to walk me through, whosoever wants to add on to this. Number one, let's talk about profile, yaar. Like if you can guide the students ki kis type ki profile yahan pe shortlist ho sakti hai, which do you think are the ideal profile here? That is something I want to know. Secondly, I want each one of you to walk me through the application journey, the interview processes वगैरह कि लोगों को पता चल जाए कि क्या prepare करना है, क्योंकि लोग अलग-अलग गंदी मतलब interviews के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं गलत तरीके से, coming and speaking the wrong answers and not making it through. So if that can happen, and if somebody can also tell how you got like a 3 lakh rupee scholarship, that will be it will be good. So yeah, who wants to go? Profile कौन बताना चाहता है?
So I'll talk about the scholarship part then. In that
Okay.
case, I think the one thing that I really found unique to my interview was that it was very conversational and it was very authentic. I mean, the interview was not looking at what my scores or what I was carrying as a baggage, but it was more of what aspirations do I have and if Altera can align to that. I mean, the conversation was very honest and to the heart conversation is what I felt, and I think that is what, if you're authentic and you know what you've done and not just putting across something which you've not done, I think that is something that can probably help students.
So how long was your interview?
I think 30 to 35.
And who took your interview?
Karan.
Okay, so the founder himself. Okay. All right. Anybody else? Any interview? Yeah.
The interview. So as you said, the interview prep, I don't think that there is a particular prep that you should do in advance for this interview.
No, they should take mocks from me, definitely. But yeah.
That's one thing. But another thing is that the interview is very natural. So they will be looking at you, that how are you from the inside. And the interview was something around 1 hour for me because it was a 30 minutes case study and then 30 minutes interview. It is ubiquitous for everyone, but it was like that. And they checked about if you are genuinely interested to learn, if you're genuinely here to learn marketing, if you are here to learn something which you haven't done in your life. So that is what I thought of the interview.
Okay. So case studies में क्या होता है यार?
With the case studies, I think it's unique to Altera. I would say because the interviews that I sat for, none of them had a case study.
Correct.
Very simple interview.
Tell me about yourself. Why do you want to join? Why do you want to do MBA? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Thank you for coming.
Yes.
But that wasn't the case with Altera. First of all, the interview काफी thorough था. You cannot lie your way through. I think
Okay.
That is something you must know. If it is not genuine, they will definitely know it. There's no question about it. Because unlike other interviews where the average duration is 15, 17, 20 minutes, यहाँ सबका 30 minutes का गया. Mine was, I think, little bit longer than 30 minutes.
Okay.
And as far as the case interview goes, it just checks how good you are at asking the right questions and how good you are with structured thinking.
Give me example of your case study.
So I had a case of a company called Pomino's, and what their competitive advantage was that they used to deliver pizzas within 30 minutes. But because of these new age food delivery companies, as a result of this, their competitive advantage got eroded away. So you had to give them suggestions on what they can do to come back on track with respect to the market cap, with respect to the units sold and revenue, etc., etc. The first thing that you do in this situation is you break the case down as per your knowledge. You calculate the facts, you structure it accordingly, how much you're getting in from which source, and then you break the case down into smaller parts.
Okay.
And I think this is something very unique to Altera and what we do.
Right. Great. Yeah, this is
To add on to what Rishabh said, I think that they were not looking at what solution are we arriving at, but how are we arriving to that solution.
got it. The assumptions that you're making and got it. Anybody else with like very unique interview experience?
So, besides the interview experience, one thing that students don't understand is the application part. In application, Altera has this thing where they ask two very unique questions. For the last year, it was a superpower that you had to describe. And the second question, I don't really remember. But those questions were like, why are they even asking that? But they are trying to test how you really think. And they are trying to only shortlist those people who actually have it. And by the way, don't AI. Please don't AI or those questions because they have a detector over here. And if you AI it, your application will straight shift delete. Is one
Okay.
thing that we have been-
Okay. All right.
It's
Okay.
something that we have been taught over here. So yeah, that's
Okay.
something a tip that I would give.
So yeah, adding to all of that, one thing I got to know is in an interview they're not expecting perfect answers from you. They're just trying to know you and their hunger, the aspiration. Like if you actually want to learn, if you actually want to study what they are teaching.
So in my interview, I had a 1 year experience of B2B sales. So Ankar sir took my interview and he was specifically asking situational questions from my job that if this happened, what will you do? What will you do? So he was trying to understand my point of view and
Psyche,
how,
yeah.
yes,
Okay.
how will I make the situation.
Got it. So obviously, for guys, again, all those who are watching this video, everybody's interview is going to be different. Definitely, one of the common things is सारी conversations हैं, but different aspects picking up from your background that you've done all that. Guys, thank you so much. Yeah, continue playing, and I'll catch you guys in some time. Okay, take care, guys. Bye. Guys, I am sorry. Usually, I don't talk to students in the campus tour videos, but seeing them here, I obviously had to, and I hope you guys are finding value. Let's continue. Guys, if you think that the recreational area on the campus was the coolest room, no, it is not, because even I have been proven wrong. Just when I was coming out students told me that, Kavach, did you check out the sleeping room? And I was like, what? There's a sleeping room? Come with me, guys. Actually, when I was walking here, I missed this room considering that it also might be another meeting room or a boardroom. But no, guys, I am wrong. Oh my God. Guys, they have a full-fledged sleeping room here on the campus. Now when students tell me that they spend about 16-18 hours on the campus, this is where they can literally crash if they're feeling really tired. Guys, this is also reminding me of my boarding school days because there also we would have these bunk beds. And I mean, this is so cool. I obviously would have to take my shoes off, but it's very comfortable as well. Yeah, you can literally, I mean, smart thing students can do is not take a hostel and probably just camp here all the time and say that they're working. But this is so nice, this is so good. Plus you also have like, comfortable chairs that you can literally rest on. Obviously you would need it if you're staying on the campus like till 4 a.m, which these students do, by the way. You would literally need, I think they'll need more of these beds sometime. But yeah, what a fab thing, guys. I've never seen like a sleeping room in a campus. Guys, I've kind of taken tour of the campus here, but I am not done yet. One of the things that I'd missed the previous time, and so many of you students even commented in my previous videos, was the hostel tour of Altera Institute. Guys, in this video, I'm also going to be taking to their hostels. So for the people who are coming from outside of Delhi, and even the ones who are in Delhi but want to stay in the hostels, stay tuned because I'm going to take you to that specific place where the hostels are. So come, let's go. Okay guys, I finally come to the hostel here at Altera Institute. Some very important information that you need to know. Guys, this hostel is located in Sector 28 Sushant Lok, which approximately took me about, I think, 20 minutes to come here. Obviously, there was some traffic right now, but distance-wise, it's just 5 kilometers away. Now, this is a hostel which is shared both by boys and girls, obviously separate wings for boys and girls, but that's the case, so let me take you inside and give you a proper tour of it. What's up, guys?
Hi,
hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Okay, guys, you need to know, here's Yash and Yashita, and these are the hostel representatives here, and they've been very kind to invite me to their hostel. Guys, let's go. Pura tour dena tumne. By the way, tell me first, like, what are the closest area to the hostel?
Okay, so the fun areas we have is one is Galleria Market, which is like just 5 kilometers away.
Okay.
And for all your necessities and everything, we have Vyapar Kendra over here. So those are two hot spots over here.
Cool. This is the reception area?
Yeah.
Reception area.
Okay, so this is in collaboration with your space, correct? Okay, I can also see a biometric. This is for your attendance and all that?
This is for the attendance purpose.
Okay. Cool, yeah. Let's go.
You can see over here, this is our mess. So where we have food over here. This is the daily hustle and bustle after the dinner, after the hustle college life we have. We come here to relax and chill. And there's also a vending machine over here. So for your quick snacking and everything, we have the vending machine.
What all meals you get here? Breakfast, lunch, dinner?
Yes, we get breakfast and we get dinner. But lunch we have at the college itself.
And how's the food?
It's really good. Like, trust me, it's like home food.
ज़्यादा तारीफ ना करो यार.
You can ask this.
Yeah, you
हर
can ask
चीज़ में
him.
तारीफ. Like तो Altera वालों ने तो मचा ही दिया है.
You can have it also.
Okay. No, is it veg and non-veg or only veg?
It's veg over here and non-veg over there. But today, like, non-veg is like on alternate days. So we don't have it
3
regularly.
days a week it's non-veg. Baki those veg over there.
Great, yeah. So many students that I saw today. Hi guys, hi. Hey guys, what's up? यार यहाँ पे भी काम कर रहे हो तुम लोग यार, like मतलब what the hell guys, like hostel is to relax and chill. Okay, great. Snooker?
Whole day over.
Great.
They're like just finishing their match, I feel.
Yes. Let's go to one of the rooms.
Sorry, I can't show you my room. It's very, very messy.
तेरे room में चलेंगे चल.
We'll show you the prettiest room of our hostel.
Okay. So whose is that?
It's basically poo of our college. It's Preksha's room. So we'll just ask her permission and we'll go.
Yeah. Take the permission and then we'll go. Come guys. Guys, I'm going to be giving you a tour of an actual room here, obviously with the permission of the student. Usually we always have the demo rooms, but this is going to be the real room. Come with me. Room number 212 with due permission we are entering. Hello, hi. How are you? They've told me that you are the poo of the college. Oh my god, what an amazing room. Do you mind if I enter? Pakka? Okay. Guys, come inside a real hostel room here at Altera Institute. I must tell you one thing which people will not be able to understand, but your room smells really nice. Like it's really good. Whichever perfume you're using, I'm already a fan of it. Okay, so this is how. So all the rooms here are double sharing? So for boys also double sharing, for girls also double sharing?
But people who prefer to take single sharing, they can take as well. Yeah.
Okay, so for those who want to take single sharing, you're most welcome to say single sharing, but otherwise it's usually double sharing.
Yeah, it's usually double sharing.
Great. And in the room you have 2 beds, 2 study tables, 2 individual cupboards, and attached washroom. Amazing, great. Yeah. Again, guys, very spacious rooms. You also have the AC here. Obviously, it's a real room, so I don't want to overstay my welcome. But thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. So, Yashita, where do students usually party, and where do you guys chill the most in the hostel? Yeah.
We'll take you to the common space. It's
Okay,
in a
common
basement.
space.
And like we are not allowed in each other's room. So since this is a co-ed hostel, so we are not allowed. Like boys are not allowed in the girls' room, and girls are not allowed in the boys' room. They are separate own spaces, their own personal spaces. But for chilling and vibing and having the parties every time, so we have common spaces. So let's go over there.
I think this is very important that you mentioned. So guys, this is a co-ed hostel, which means boys and girls stay in the same compound, but no boy can enter in the girls' room and no girl can enter in the boys' room. But you have the common spaces, lounges, all those that you can chill around and again work on your assignments and everything, which is obviously Altera very famous for. We'll take the lift.
Yeah. So Kavash, this is another recreation area that we have over here. So for gym freaks, we have gym over here.
Okay.
Then for fun and entertainment, we have table tennis and 1 TV over here and snooker table and carom table. And
Wow,
people
yeah.
come here, they party, and we have all kind of events over here. So one of the key events that we had was Onam celebration that we did in the hostel. And another was live jamming that we keep on happening, and students over here are multi-talented, so they keep on jamming over here.
Pretty good, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure. Abhi to, like, I know students are having dinner, but once the dinner is over, they would love to come here. Like, I think some students were telling me work hard, party harder. I think this is the kind of vibe that I'm getting from this room.
Yeah.
Pretty good. And again, guys, one of the important things that you need to understand is that the hostel facility is not compulsory for you people. So that means you have the option of staying on your own also in PGs, apartments, all that. But if you want to stay in the hostel, then this is provided to you guys. Whether you're a boy or a girl. In fact, one of my observations is that a lot of localites are also staying in the hostel because they find the routine to be very hectic. So they find it very comfortable to stay in the midst of fellow batchmates. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. Yeah, thank you so much, Yashita, for giving me a tour of it. She's been really kind. And she's like, "Nahi, our hostel," and we'll give her a tour. So pretty good. So yes, guys, that's about it for this particular video. Again, I apologize. I was not expecting this video to be really long, but ho gayi hai. But I hope you guys have gotten all your doubts, questions, queries, and I've given you a real, किसी का तो real room ही दिखा दिया यार. तो like इससे better क्या हो सकता है? So thank you so much. If you still have anything, make sure you comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and I'll see you all with another video. Take care, guys. Bye.
Bye.